Best 35 Amazing Car Gadgets on Amazon. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are checking out the best 35 amazing car gadgets on Amazon that will completely upgrade your driving experience. Buckle up and let us jump right into the list. Product number 1. LISEN Retractable Car Charger. 84-watt car charger USB-C fast charger. Cigarette lighter USB charger adapter. Car accessories, birthday gifts for men, women, dad, mom, husband. For iPhone 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Are you tired of dealing with tangled cords and messy cables every time you need to charge your devices on the road? This retractable car charger is the absolute perfect solution to keep your center console looking incredibly neat and organized. With a powerful 84-watt output, it delivers blazing fast charging speeds for all your modern smartphones, ensuring you never run out of battery during those long commutes or epic road trips. The built-in retractable mechanism smoothly pulls the cables back into place when you are done, eliminating the hassle of untangling wires while driving. Product number 2. Amooca 4-pack car headrest hooks vehicle storage organizer for purses, handbags, groceries, backpacks, coats. Holds 55 pounds, 360-degree rotating black. Maximizing your interior storage space has never been this simple or effective. If you frequently find your groceries, handbags, or backpacks spilling all over the floorboards after a sudden stop, these headrest hooks are going to change your life completely. Made from exceptionally durable and high-quality materials, each individual hook is engineered to hold up to 55 pounds of weight without breaking or bending. Installation is an absolute breeze because you do not need to remove the headrest at all. They just snap securely into place right around the metal poles. What makes these incredibly unique is their 360-degree rotating design, which means you can swing them around to the front of the seat when you need them and hide them away under the headrest when you have passengers in the back. Product number 3. Givifive Car Seat Gap Filler Set of 2. Soft foam multifunctional seat side gap filler with organizer and hook function, 3-in-1 gap stopper, universal fit, car, SUV, truck. Fill the gap between seat and console. We have all experienced the intense frustration of dropping our keys, loose change, or mobile phones right into that dreaded black hole between the center console and the front seats. This ingenious seat gap filler completely eliminates that annoying problem once and for all, while adding some highly functional storage to your interior. Constructed from a premium soft foam material, it easily conforms to fit the exact dimensions of almost any vehicle, creating a tight and seamless barrier that stops items from falling through the cracks. It also goes far beyond simple gap blocking by incorporating a built-in organizer compartment that is perfect for holding your wallet, parking tickets, or sunglasses securely within arm's reach. Product number 4. Sotfamily Sunglass Holder for Car Visor, Suede Cloth Magnetic Sunglass Organizer for Car Accessories, 2 packs, black. Suede Cloth Magnetic Car Accessories. Protecting your expensive eyewear while keeping it easily accessible on the road is absolutely essential for any frequent driver. This premium magnetic sunglass holder offers a beautifully elegant and highly practical solution that attaches effortlessly directly to your sun visor. The exterior is crafted from a wonderfully soft, high-quality suede cloth material that not only looks incredibly luxurious, but also guarantees that your sunglass frames and delicate lenses remain completely safe from unwanted scratches and scuffs. The brilliant magnetic closure system allows for quick and seamless one-handed operation, meaning you can grab your shades or put them away securely without ever having to take your eyes off the road ahead. Product number 5. EcoNour 2-in-1 Car Steering Wheel Desk, Tray for Laptop Car Mount with Pen Holder, Desk Console for Car, Food Tray for Eating with Drinks Holder, Multipurpose Travel Car Accessories. Transforming your vehicle into a fully functional mobile office or a comfortable dining space is incredibly easy with this versatile steering wheel desk. If you regularly find yourself working from the driver's seat or grabbing a quick lunch break in the parking lot, this multi-purpose tray is an absolute game changer. One side is specifically designed for working, featuring a completely flat surface that perfectly supports a laptop and includes a convenient pen holder for taking quick notes. Whenever you're ready for a meal, simply flip the tray over to reveal a dedicated food side, complete with a deep cup holder to prevent any accidental spills. That wraps up our look at the best 35 amazing car gadgets on Amazon. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and check the links below. Safe travels and see you next time.